What's up, beautiful people? Ready? We are doing this massive monster tree today, so check this out. He's up there. Let's see what he's doing. So that branch has to come down and then has to go down that way. Control line. Oh, nice.
Nice.
Right there. He's a beast. He knows his stuff. We did not hit the garage. Perfect. Look at that. Nice.
Nice. You let it hit the ground now.
He's doing this whole tree.
All right, hold on.
Oh yes, this is huge. Bam. Yep, it's gotta go. Makes the car super dirty. See that? Never had a car dirty like this. And also protect the garage and the house. So win-win for everything. All the trees coming down, guys. It's gonna take at least 3 to 4 days. He's gonna do one lead at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. Should take him 3 to 4 days to do it. 5, 6 hours a day. That monster tree I was telling you guys about, only just this part is left, just that one stem, and just him and I are gonna practice rigging it down. You know, it'll be cool. I'm just gonna practice with it, see how everything works. That's just left for me pretty much. So he's gonna get up there and do it, but I'm gonna do all the knots and bringing it down at an angle and stuff like that. So it's gonna be fun. It's an experience, but most of it is gone, guys. Look at it, it's all gone. Over the driveway, over the house, you can see that. That's gone. Look at all the wood, chunks of wood here ready to be burned. Hey, check this out, ready to be burned. Well, he's gonna take him, and half of it's gonna go to his friend. I'm gonna keep some for myself. So in the winter time, we could, make a nice fire pit out there and start burning wood, just for the heck of it. But yeah, check it out, guys. Just this one stem here, that's it. And garage is like no more dirt on the car anymore. House clear. The back tree in the backyard is trimmed down, so it looks good now. And there's no more pine tree. So once this is gone completely, we'll take a look at it, how we're gonna see it before. Before was crazy, now we'll see how it goes after. Because I could already see more sunlight coming on the grass. I gotta renovate the whole lawn, honestly. Cause see that? Now you can actually see a house. Like, oh, there's a beautiful house up there. And the front looks good too now because of that. That one tree over there is pretty nice. Gives a nice shade on the spot, so you can, chill down there too if you want to. But this is perfect, guys. Before it was dark and like hidden. The house was like hidden. And he's right there and doing his work. So smash that like button, guys, and stay tuned. If you're just watching my videos and haven't subscribed yet, just do it. It takes a few seconds. Just a quick update on the house. This big tree I told you about is gonna be gone. There it is. The pine tree's gone. That was was there too. The pine tree was huge. This tree is pretty cool. It looks a lot big in the picture, but it's not that big. It gives a nice shade on that side. But yeah, that's it for now, guys, and we'll see how it looks in the end. All right, check this out. What do you call this thing?
All right, what is it called?
Launcher?
Yeah, it's a launcher.
So
throwback launcher.
So you kind of stretch it all the way back.
I think it's called the Big Shot by Notch.
Nice.
Yeah, it's just a monster slingshot.
What's this monster
slingshot? So
slingshot?
you don't want to be anywhere between here and here right now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold it firm on my hand so it's got a little base. I usually have another section I put on, but I got lazy and want to load it.
And you're doing this for?
I'm doing this to set a line This is gonna be where my climb line is. I'm
Climb
gonna set
line,
a
gotcha.
second line
Okay.
so I can reach my rigging point.
Cool.
But here goes something.
Nice.
It's easy when there's not 10,000 branches in the
That's
way.
awesome. Now we got the line set.
So I gotta gingerly bring that back
Yeah.
so it doesn't. If you pull this too hard, it'll end up tangled in there, and you'll need a whole second throw line and throw back. Don't ask me how I know. It'll break your heart.
Oh, there it is.
So it wants to drop. We got to get it where we want it. Okay, so now we got some momentum. So I even got it on this side of the tree. So that's beautiful.
Perfect. Got one down. Now he's dropping that big piece. What?
Right in the pile, baby.
That one bounced off.
That was cool.
That bounced off and one right there.
Throw it right in half. That was awesome.
Yeah, that's crazy. Hey, into the pile. It's coming. It's going, Andy. Hey, do the flying kick.
Down the middle. I knew it.
Hey, do a taekwondo kick, man. Yo, do a taekwondo kick.
That was crazy. I can't believe that held on.
Where's your finishing move at?
What?
Where's your finishing move at?
No, I don't have to. I can.